Hello everyone, and once again welcome back to a short update here on World of Slot Cars. Today we're going to take a look at the upcoming Kickstarter with the Carnival theme, and over here we have the Ferris wheel, and I've gotten this to spin perfectly around. It runs nice and smoothly and everything looks really well. I am going to add a bit more details on the baskets here where everyone's circling around, and there will be the option of adding LED lights in these rails here. And then over here we have the progress on the carousel. This is basically the most important part of the carousel that has been finished, because I managed to get this section rotating without any problems, and it also runs really smooth. I have designed some small motorcycles that's going to be placed on this. I thought that would fit the theme, but in the future I will be able to add other features like horses or something else. I'm also thinking about adding a Christmas theme and a Halloween theme when we get there. Right now both of these units or pieces are powered using batteries, and I will include, of course, electrical diagrams of how to install all of this, but both of these have been made really smart. It is a small cheap motor you can buy on eBay, really inexpensive, and then I have used a rubber band drive to get the rotations a bit down, and this works just so flawlessly right now. The positive thing about this is that you can just remove this piece. You just need to find the alignment pins here, but don't matter that right now. But you can remove it and maintain it and change the rubber band and so on. And the part I introduced last month, the electricity channels where you can hide battery boxes in these, then run the wires through cable canals like this that looks like the one they use at concerts and so on, are actually compatible with this system. So if we take a look at this over here, these will slide in here, so you basically can hide the wires. You can store the battery in here. There's also a larger compartment over there for larger battery boxes, and then you can run the wires in through these channels here. This is a really neat feature, as it will make it much nicer looking on your track if you're using battery packs instead of running the wires down through the bottom of your table. I've also made some new models. These will be part of the release for the normal Patreons. Some of these will not be released until Christmas, models like this one for example, but these are really lifelike and I'm very happy about how they turned out. This is basically the female segment. These are used mainly if we're not looking at the Christmas ones. They are meant for the concert stage I made some months ago, and there will also be some male dancers and people that are just watching the concert, so I'll add those. But so far this is a really nice selection of models I've made here, and they have become really good. As you can see, the details they're looking so realistic. Very happy with these. So that was just a really short update on the progress here. Now I'm going to add those motorcycles over here, and I'm going to finish the top of this carousel, and then I'll start making some of the artwork. You can print all of this in the colors you like, so I just went for a really carnival-ish theme with a bright blue, yellow, red and green, white colors, and then the wood feature here. I haven't painted anything here, so you can make this look really nice if you add some paint to it. This is just as it came off the printer, because these are only prototypes so far. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you have any questions, feedback and so on. Always happy to hear what you have to say, and thank you all for watching.